Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good evening. How are you today? I hope that you always stay healthy. I'm sorry if you find me some mistake in the middle of my explanations because actually I'm not feeling well, but I will try my best. Here on the slide, um, we are going to discuss about downstreaming, or we know it as utilizations. So guys, dance streaming is the latest trend in Indonesia and it has been implemented in mining sector, fostering the greatest industry of a country. If we see from the mining sector, dance streaming is a crucial step for Indonesia to become a developed country by 2045, or it is known as a golden Indonesia. So let's know first about the meaning of non-streaming. Here, I read Indonesian dictionary, but I will state other explanations about the downstreaming. So downstreaming is the activity to process a raw material and change it into a final product that has added value and can be traded in a high value, of course. And according to the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, if the downstreaming is carried out in all sectors, especially for the mining sector, from started from 2014 until 2045, and the program is successful, perhaps Indonesia can be a developed country. So here, let's move to the supporting data. Here, from the data material, especially for the nickel that's become the word belly. Here, from 2014 to 2015, Indonesia profited around 31 trillion from export of raw material. And after the downstreaming implemented, Indonesia's mining got increased around 510 trillions, or from 2.1 billion US dollar jumped to 33 and point 8 billion US dollar. So from the data, we know that downstreaming can increase the economic growth for a country, as it is stated on the purpose of downstreaming itself. Let's move to the purpose of downstreaming. Here, guys, you know from the first year, this is the example of raw material which has no value, and then change it into a vinyl product just like this one, which has high value. And from this purpose is to increase the economic growth, of course. Even in 2022, the government visited, and this is Indonesia's bright side if it is seen from the benefit of downstreaming. Even in 2022, the government visited Elon Musk uh, as the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla just for carrying out Elon Musk to invest in Indonesia. But unfortunately, to collaborate with Elon Musk, Indonesia has a lot of quiet, heavy homework that should be done in order to encourage Elon Musk to invest in the use of nickel as a component of making electric vehicles. Speaking about heavy homework, guys, yes, according to the Center of Reform in Economic, Tesla has a high standard of regulations regarding to the environmental management, sustainability, and social and regulations. And then the last is policy that must met. And from these four factors, Indonesia just met with one point, that's policy. So the rest still become Indonesians' homework. But here, guys, I just would like to focus. I just would like to focus in one thing that regarding to the environmental issue. And the question is, why does environmental issue become the first crucial requirement? That because almost all electric car manufacturer prioritize the country to yeah to use the sustainable and environmentally friendly energy. So let's this one. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about the worst impact. There are a lot of environmental damage that caused by mining. So in Indonesia, at least nearly 7,000 hectares of land that is used for mining, especially for the nickel, and the majority of locations are existed in the forest or near the sea. Changing the forest into the mining can give an impact toward a surrounding community. And if there is no regulations and considerations whether the location is suitable for changing it into a mining, of course, this one, deforestations or clean water or water pollutions will continue to happen. And not only that, the threat of disaster in that area will increase. For instance, flood, landslide, what just happened in Obi Island. And the worst is, yeah, the carbon has been released into the air, which can cause the climate change become much worse. So, yes, it means that the local communities' health, especially for the children, are under threatened. Are under threatened. Yes. Um, Here, well, what we can see here about the healthcare itself. So, yeah, that's what I said about the health of the community that exists in I mean the surrounding or the area of mining due to the lacking of clean water for drinking, bathing. That is has been contaminated with the toxic mining waste. No, yeah. Additionally, additionally, their livelihood supplies will continue to decrease because their sea has been polluted. Yeah, and even they cannot consume the fish itself. So guys, this is the illustrations what that's come from environmental damage that caused by mining. So guys, actually, there are a lot of words that I want to say here, but I have just 7 to 8 minutes to explain about this topic. So if you're curious about this topic, just search on the Google. I think you will find a lot of information regarding to this topic. So guys, what do you think about this topic? Does non swimming give a bad or a good impact? So let's see your comment below. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.